Hi everyone. In this session, I want to tell about the conversion of octal number into decimal number. Conversion of octal to decimal. We know that the octal number can be formed by using 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7, and hence the base of the octal number is 8. The base of the octal number is 8. Now we want to convert this octal number into decimal number, which is formed by using the combination of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. Let us take one example for this conversion, octal to decimal. Octal to decimal, let us take one example. 723.24, that is the given octal number. That is a given octal number that is to be converted into decimal number. Now, what are the steps to be followed to convert this octal number into decimal? Means, first you have to mark the positional weights of each digit. Here it has two parts. This is integer part and this one is fractional part. This 723 is integer part and 24 is fractional part. Now we have to mark the positional weights of all the digits. The positional weights of all the digits. Now we have to take this number 723.24. Here what is the positional weight means? 8 to the power of 0. 0th position and its base is 8. And its positional weight is 8 to the power of 1. And its positional weight is 8 to the power of 2. In the same way, its positional weight is 8 to the power of minus 1 and its positional weight is 8 to the power of minus 2. We know that to calculate the value of each and every digit, there is a formula: digit into base to the power of position. Digit into base to the power of position. So, to calculate the value, there is a formula: digit into base to the power of position. Now, you have to multiply the digit. You have to multiply the digit with its positional weight. That is, here what is the digit? 7 is digit. And its positional weight is 8 to the power of 2 plus 2 is the digit and its positional weight is 1. You have to multiply digit and positional weight, base to the power of position. That is called as positional weight. Base to the power of position means positional weight. So, digit into positional weight plus, here what is the digit here? 3 into what is its positional weight? 8 to the power of 0 plus, now we are coming to the fractional part. Here what is the digit? 2 is the digit and its positional weight is 8 to the power of minus 1 plus, here what is the digit? 4 into positional weight is 8 to the power of minus 2. Now we have marked the positional weights, and then in the step 2 the digits are multiplied with its positional respective positional weights. The digits are multiplied with their respective positional weights. Now what is, simplify this one. 7 into 64, 8 square means 64, plus 2 into 8 to the power of 1 means 8, plus 3 into 8 to the power of 0, anything to the power of 0 is 1, plus 2 into 8 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 8 to the power of 1, plus 4 into 8 to the power of minus 2 can be written as 8 to the power of 2. Now what happens? 7 into 64, 4, 4, 8, plus 2 into 6, 16, plus 3 into 1, 3, plus 2 by 8 to the power of 1 means 8, plus 4 by 64, 4 by 64, that is equal to 448 plus 16 plus 3, that is 467, plus 2 by 8, that is 0.25, plus 4 by 64, 0.0625, that is equal to 467.25 plus 0.0625, that is equal to 3125. That is the base 10. Base 10. So 723.24 base 8 is equal to 467.3124 of base 10. I repeat again. First, take the or mark the positional weights of each and every digit, and then multiply the digit with its positional weight, and next add all these digits, all the values, that is digit into positional weight of the given number, and simplify. Then you can get the equivalent decimal number of the given octal number. That is the process of converting the octal into decimal number. Okay, thank you.